Today we will complete the poem. Sometimes I feel myself I can hardly bear the thought of so much childish longings in vain. Poet is thinking that sometimes it becomes intolerable for me. I cannot tolerate. What I cannot tolerate? The thought, the idea of the roadside people. Which type of idea? That is the roadside people. They are thinking that the rich people would come to their shop and they would buy something. This is a kind of childish idea. Childish longing. Longing means desire, burning desire, expectation. Those people, poor people, they have this type of expectation, this type of desire. And this desire is childish. In vain. In vain means meaningless. This idea is totally meaningless according to the poet. Because the poet Robert Frost knows the mentality of rich people. He has some introspection about that. The sadness that looks near the open window there, that waits all day in almost open prayer. What the poor people are doing? Those poor people who have the shops at the roads, they are going near their windows and all the day they are waiting for rich people. And they are waiting and waiting very sadly. Why sadly? Because no any person comes to their shop, and that's why they are very sad. They are waiting sadly. The sadness that lurks near the open window there, and the poet can see a kind of unhappiness in those people that waits all day in almost open prayer. And those poor people, they are praying. They are going near the window and they are praying. What is their prayer? They are praying that some person would come and buy something. For the squeal of brakes, they are waiting for the squeals, means the sound of brakes. If any person would stop the car, would give brake to the car and come to their shop, this type of desire they have. For the squeal of brakes, the sound of a stopping car, they want to listen the sound of stopping car. Of all the 1,000 selfish cars that pass, so many cars, 1,000 cars have been passing from their houses, from their shops, near their shops. But all those people who are seated in the car, they are selfish. All those rich people are selfish. Of all the 1,000 selfish cars that pass, they expect that at least out of 1,000 cars, at least one car should stop. Just one, to inquire what a farmer's prices are. And what happens? One time, one car stopped, but that car, the person, the owner of that car, the rich person, come out from that car but not to buy anything from the shop. But he stopped the car to inquire, to ask about the products of farmer, some other things. That person was not interested to buy anything from these people. And one did stop, and another person, he also stopped, but only to plow up grass in using the yard to back and turn around. But he came to turn his car, to take back and to turn the car, he only stopped the car. And in this way he also spoiled the grass. He was also not interested to buy anything. And another to ask the way. One person also stopped the car, but not to buy anything. He only stopped his car to ask the way, because he did not know the way. And that's why, to ask the way to where it was bound. He wanted to ask only the way, the turning of the way, because he was perhaps not familiar with the way. In short, some cars stop but not to buy anything from these people. And another to ask, could they sell it a gallon of gas? Gallon of gas means, gallon means unit of liquid. One car stopped, but that carman also did not want to buy anything. No any vegetables, no any fruits. But he was asking only about the gallon of gas. Gallon of gas. Because gas is also used in the car. They could not this crossly, it is printed in bracket. That means poet is telling angrily that they have not, didn't it see that carman had no any common sense that these people were selling only fruits and vegetables. They had not any gas. They were not the sellers of gas. That carman had not any kind of common sense. Poet said this thing very angrily. No, in country money, the country scale of gain, the requisite lift of spirit has never been found. Or so the voice of the country seems to complain. I cannot help owning the great relief it would be to put these people at one stop. Okay, let us see one by one some lines. No, in country money, the country scale of gain, the requisite lift of spirit has never been found. Country means here rural people. Poet is talking about the money of rural people. These people who are living at the roadside, they are not getting sufficient money. They are not getting profit from rich people. And that's why, poet is using here one word, requisite, means required money. They are not getting required money or required profit. And that's why, lift of spirit means here motivation. They could not get motivation. And that's why, so the voice of the country seems to complain. And that's why, these rural people, their voice is the voice of complaining. They are complaining. I cannot help. Poet is telling that unfortunately, I cannot help these poor people. I cannot help. Owing the great relief it would be to put these people at one stroke out of their pain. Poet says that I want to free these poor people from all their pains with one stroke. And if I could do this thing, then it would be best. And then next day, as I come back into the sand means with healthy mind. If I could free all these people from the pain, then it would be best. And after then, I would come on another day. And I wonder how I should like you to come to me. And I like if any person from these poor people would come near me and offer to put me gently out of my pain. And if such person would come near me, then it would be relieve of all the pain from my heart also. I would also be free. Poet is telling that I would be also free from my pain. Poet is telling what is my pain? My pain is that these poor people are full of miseries. That is my pain. If I can remove their pain and miseries, then I will be painless. So this is a poem, a roadside stand. I hope you understand this poem. This is very realistic poem.